Hello and welcome in this video. Well, specifically, this is a new playlist which I am going to talk about DRF, Django REST Framework. So in previous playlist, we have talked about Django completely and with a complete project. So we did everything in that course. So in this course, we will talk about Django REST Framework. Well, what is DRF? Well, before understanding the DRF, let's talk about API. So what is API and what is the need of this DRF? So we talked that Django is a framework or web framework of Python, and DRF or Django REST framework is the framework of RESTful framework of Django. So we use this framework with Django and we create APIs. So why we create API? Well, before that, let's see the Django REST framework. Well, when you just type on any browser which you use, so I use Firefox, so I type Django REST framework and I find the official document of this framework or DRF. So it says that this is for flexible, it is a flexible toolkit, well, for web APIs. API is application programming interface. It is something between client side and server side. So for example, if you consider that a restaurant, there is two parts, like specifically the customer which have some meals and the kitchen which the meal is prepared. So there is someone between them, which is the waiter, which brings the food to the customer. So this waiter can be considered as the API, like API of that restaurant. So we can consider that like this. So API is something which, as I said, that we use something from like for client, like desktop, web application, mobile application, in any other sort of platform which we use the data from the backend, we use this API. So we create the API and we use that. So Django REST framework is the same thing which we create the API. So obviously this is the framework of Django, and it is some reasons why we use this. So it has a browsable API. So what is a browsable API? For example, let's see here. If I search here browsable API and the images, you see like this. This is the browsable API. It is some kind of UI for the user which use this and find something like see every request and everything here as like data. So the authentication policies packages are included, serialization, obviously ORM, and as I mentioned in the course, ORM, object relational mapper. So customization is easy, and obviously the community, great community it has, and all other things. So it has some requirements like installation requirements as Django, Python. You have to install the Python, like in my case, I have the latest Python version and latest Django version. So you have to have the latest or any version which you want. So there are many other things, but we do not need all of them in this video. In this video, I just have an introduction for this. So the prerequisite is a little bit understanding of the Django and Python. So if you do not understand or you do not have any knowledge about Django and Python, so a little basic of them. So you have to find the playlist in my channel and about Python and about Django, and you will learn everything from there. So this is the everything. So we will talk about installation and all that in the next video.